Thank you for joining Balanced Health and News Workshop, a seasonal whole food detox. Do I really need to detox? During this workshop, we're going to look at the purposes and the benefits of choosing to participate in a seasonal 5-day whole food detox for beginners. Hi, I'm Terri King, and I am a certified transformational nutrition coach, and I specialize in digestive health. And I work with busy women just like you who are tired of being tired. They're so busy with everyday life that they've, allowed themselves to be overcome with fatigue. They're irritable. They're either overweight or they're underweight. And, basically their health has just really become compromised due to their busyness and their lack of self-care of themselves. So in my coaching practice, I offer one-to-one or coaching programs, and I offer small group coaching programs. This program, the seasonal 5-day whole food detox for beginners, is one of my group coaching programs that I offer each season of the year. And when I'm talking to women about their need to participate in a detox, I'm always asked, well, do I need to detox? And this is a great question, and it's one that most people do ask themselves, especially if you're new to the concept of eating differently and trying to start a healthier eating plan, and you're just not sure, what a detox is all about. Especially with the internet full of various detoxes. You've got your juice detoxes, you've got your smoothie detoxes, you've got your lemon detox, you've got your whole food detox, you've got your paleo detox, you've got your 1-day detox, your 2-day detox, your 3-day detox, your 5-day detox, your 30-day detox. So there's just a lot of detoxes out there to choose from. And so you may be asking yourself, well, what is a detox? And do I need to detox? And what I'll do is I'll just continue with that discussion and just ask, what have you been eating? And I'll ask you the same thing. If you're questioning, do I need to detox? I'm going to ask you, what have you been eating? And this question can go in so many different directions. I've got clients that have been eating fast food and processed food for years. I've got clients that have been eating non-processed foods for years. I've got clients that are new to the healthier eating lifestyle, some that have been doing it 6 months, some maybe only doing it a year. It really doesn't matter. Regardless of how long or what type of food you're eating, how long you've been eating, all of us can truly benefit from a detox. And the next question tends to be, well, doesn't our bodies naturally detox itself? And I'll be honest, yes, it does. And then I'll get that look, well, then, why in the world do I need to participate in a detox if my body's already detoxing? And that's a question or a statement that I truly enjoy to get because I have an answer for that too. I think we would all agree that we live in a very toxic world, and that's our problem. Not one of you listening to this workshop lives in a pure environment. Our entire world is toxic, and we're so toxic that we've overloaded our bodies with additional toxins that our body wasn't even designed to handle. And the very air we breathe is toxic. Whether you're outside or you're inside, the air that you're breathing is actually toxic. Our homes are toxic. Our furniture puts off toxic fumes. Our cleaning products are toxic. Those little sweet smelling air fresheners that you have are toxic. Toxins are just, everywhere. They're all around us. The foods that you eat, especially if you're eating fast food and processed foods, which are mainly man-made chemicals, they're toxic. So all those chemicals are toxic to your system, and you're ingesting those toxins. Even your skincare products are toxic. Your shampoo, your conditioner, your skin cream, your makeup, all of these are made of chemicals that are absorbed by your skin, and they're getting into your system, and that's just more toxins traveling through your system for your liver to handle. So what does all this mean? It means you're toxic. Everywhere you are, wherever you go, whatever you eat, you're toxic. So let's just have a real quick discussion on how we become toxic, why our liver is not doing what it's supposed to do. Our bodies are designed to detoxify itself. No one will argue that point. That's the job of the liver and the kidneys. But we've basically overloaded our liver, which is our cleansing agent. Everything flows through our liver, which filters out the toxins and tries to flush them out of our system. But what's happened is we've clogged the drain. Our filter is clogged. We've crammed so much into our system that the liver is unable to keep up with the load of toxins that we've put in. So the filtering process has basically backed up. So your liver made an executive decision, and he put all the toxins on a schedule, placed all those toxins in storage until it could get to them. The problem is that the toxins are never pulled out of storage to be processed. In fact, more toxins are being put in storage due to the overload of toxins that are received on a daily basis. Don't believe me? You want some proof? Look down. Do you have a muffin top? Do you have a belly bulge? Do you have what is commonly known as thunder thighs? If you do, that is where your liver decided to store your toxins. And this is probably what has happened is because the liver has decided that, it's going to store it there. And if you've ever tried to go on a diet and you could not lose that belly fat, or you couldn't lose your thighs, it's because those toxins have been stored into a fat cell, and that fat cell cannot be burned up as energy when you're on a diet. And that's what your liver does. It looks for fat cells and puts as much toxins as it can into those cells. You're constantly taking in more toxins, your liver is overworked, your storage bins keep growing, and this is why you're experiencing fatigue, skin problems, belly bloat, unwanted weight gain, aches and pains. All of this can be attributed to the toxin buildup in your body. So the purpose of the detox is to give your liver a rest. The seasonal 5-day whole food detox for beginners is centered around eating whole foods for 5 days. You'll cut out beef and pork, dairy and sugar, caffeine and alcohol for these 5 days. Yes, we will have meat. It just won't be beef and pork because those really it takes, 3 days, I believe it is, for your digestive system to digest beef. So that we're just not going to eat anything that takes that long to digest. And this will allow your digestive system to begin to work as it should because you're eating foods that are easily digested. Your digestive system and your liver will actually be able to begin to function properly, and your fat cells will begin to slowly release the stored toxins into your system. And now your liver will be ready to handle those toxins and filter them out of your body because it's rested and not so overworked. And this is the reason that we do a detox and why I like to offer a detox for each season. Each detox promotes eating vegetables and fruits that are in season, which allows your body to receive the nutrients that it's requiring throughout the year. I mean, you may not know that your body is designed to eat seasonally, but it is. One season of food basically prepares your body for the weather of that season, and it also prepares your body for the transition into the next season. So during the winter, our bodies need fat and fiber to stay warm. And so, think about what you eat during the winter. We eat heavy soups, stews, root vegetables, and fibrous fruits. Then the spring comes along and we transition into a little bit lighter foods. We're eating leafy greens, those light leafy greens, spinach, leaf lettuce, things like that, and some lighter fruits. Soups and stews have basically been put away into storage. Then the summer calls for lots of watery fruits and vegetables, which allow our bodies to stay hydrated during the hot summer months. So think about what you eat in the summertime. We've got strawberries, we've got watermelon, we've got cantaloupe, we've got honeydew, we've got peaches for our fruits, and then we've got watery type vegetables also, or light vegetables that are not high in fiber. And so those help us stay hydrated during the summer. And then autumn naturally brings apples. Apples are designed to purge and detox our bodies from all of the summer foods that we've been eating and, preparing us for the winter to come. So, in the fall we start eating apples, we eat pears, we eat autumn squash, pumpkins. Those are the foods that our bodies naturally crave. So when you choose to participate in a seasonal detox, you're boosting the nutrients in your body by eating the foods it craves for that particular season. And that's why each seasonal detox has its own recipe book, and each recipe book has 50 or more recipes in it. So you're not going to go hungry on a 5-day detox by no stretch of the imagination. So will you benefit from a 5-day seasonal detox? Most definitely. By participating in the seasonal 5-day whole food detox for beginners, you're going to experience multiple benefits. You'll begin to reset your eating habits. You may not think that much can happen in 5 days, but you'll be really pleasantly surprised at how your body will actually react to 5 days of eating nothing but wholesome food. And then as your body releases the stored toxins, you should notice increased energy by the 4th day. And this is what's been so amazing to my previous clients, is that the level of energy that they experience by day 5. You may actually lose a few pounds. You could I've had clients lose 2 pounds, I've had clients lose more than 10 pounds. You may not lose any, okay? It just really depends on your body. I've got one client, she loves the seasonal detox because she's got an autoimmune disease, and because of the medication that she's on, no matter what she had done in the past, she was unable to lose a pound, okay? So her struggle was that she was very frustrated with the inability to lose weight. She didn't go on the seasonal detox on the presumption that she was going to lose weight, but she was just overwhelmed by the end of the 5 days that she had lost 5 pounds during the detox, because she said it had been years and she had not been able to lose any weight. So she was really excited about her weight loss in just those 5 days. Another benefit is better sleep. And a lot of my clients have noticed that they sleep better during the detox. And then you'll have less cravings for unhealthy foods like sugary foods. Those cravings begin to diminish. And I do have a training on detoxes, but you'll notice at the beginning of the detox that you're craving particular foods, maybe sugary foods, salty foods, and this just alerts you to what your body has become addicted to. And so those would be some foods that you would want to pay attention to, especially after the detox. So these are just a few of the benefits that previous clients have experienced when they participated in the seasonal 5-day whole food detox for beginners. And so you could also experience these same benefits when you participate. So are you ready to get started? The seasonal 5-day whole food detox for beginners is available in my private group coaching program 4 times a year. In January, I offer the winter detox, and this allows our body to reset from all the heavy holiday eating that we're so prone to do. In April, I offer the spring detox to get us ready for the summer fun months ahead. You'll be full of energy, lose a few pounds, get ready for the beach, the mountains, wherever you may go, and you'll just be ready for the great outdoors. August tends to be our get ready for transition month, so we'll detox from all those summer cookouts, those lazy summer coolers and snacks, and just basically prepare our bodies to get down to business. The fall detox is offered in October to prepare our bodies for that upcoming holiday food binge that we so dearly love. So as you see, there's a perfect reason to detox each season of the year. 5 days, whole food, real recipes, nothing fancy, nothing that you can't find in your grocery store. And so it's very, very doable. So you wouldn't have any problems in started. So here's how to register for the upcoming seasonal 5-day whole food detox for beginners. You go to my main seasonal 5-day whole food detox for beginners webpage. You'll see the link there, and the link, the address there. The link will be below the video. Click on, once you get on that page, you're going to click on this season, whatever season this is, whether it's winter, spring, summer, fall. Click on that link, go to that page. It'll have the date of the current detox for you, and you can register there. And you'll also see the core material that's offered, and there's tons of information, and there's also bonuses that you'll receive for this particular year. And understand that the core material stays the same year after year, but the bonuses and the recipe book does change. So if you click on this season and you notice that this season's detox has already been held, then what I'd ask you to do is just go to like my blog, and on the side you'll see a free gift. Go ahead and register for that free gift, and that puts you in my notification schedule, and you'll be notified when the next detox is running, and you'll be able to register then. So it's just real simple to do. And if you have any questions, this is not a workshop that covers all things detox, so I'm sure you may have some unanswered questions. I've posted a few of the most frequently asked questions on the main seasonal webpage, but I'll be glad to answer any questions that you may have concerning the detox program in general. Also, if you're interested in discovering how you can begin your health journey toward transformation, just send me an email and we'll schedule your very first free session to discuss your health goals. Or you can look on my website, and I do have an appointment calendar, and you can schedule an appointment with me to get started on getting your transformation toward health going. So you can send me an email at terri@balancedhealthandyou.com for more information, or if you want to ask me some questions about the detox. And I just want to thank you so much for watching, and I really look forward to meeting you in our next seasonal detox program, the group.